If your CCTV cameras are having night vision problems, this 3-minute guide explains all major causes and reliable fixes in one detailed paragraph. Start by checking the infrared LEDs if they are covered with dust, mud, spider webs, or moisture. The IR light cannot travel properly, causing dark or blurry footage. Clean the camera lens and IR ring gently with a microfiber cloth and make sure the glass cover is not fogged from inside, as internal humidity can completely block infrared light. Next, check the camera placement because night vision becomes weak when the camera faces reflective surfaces like glass windows, shiny walls, metal gates, or vehicles. These reflections bounce IR light back into the lens and create a whiteout effect. Always angle the camera slightly downward and avoid pointing it directly at bright lights or reflective surfaces. Make sure night mode IR cut filter is working when it gets dark. The camera should automatically switch to black and white mode. If it doesn't, reset the camera or check image settings. Verify that your camera supports the required IR distance, because a 10-meter IR camera cannot perform well in a wide backyard or parking area. Choose a camera with 30 meters, 50 meters, or even 80 meters IR depending on your coverage needs. Inside the menu, adjust brightness, exposure, shutter speed, and gain settings. Lowering gain and adjusting exposure can reduce noise and give a clearer night image. If your camera still performs poorly, consider upgrading to Starlight, full color, or low light AI cameras, which do not depend entirely on infrared and provide bright, clear night images even in extremely low light conditions. Make sure your power supply is stable, because weak power can cause IR LEDs to flicker or stop working. Also, update your firmware regularly because manufacturers often improve night vision algorithms through software updates. In 2025, applying these fixes ensures that your CCTV system delivers sharp, reliable, and usable night footage, reducing blind spots, improving security coverage, and helping you capture faces, movements, and incidents clearly around homes, shops, offices, and commercial sites.